The swivel hose connector allows you to easily connect a garden hose to your pressure washer. The coupler swivels so you can screw it onto the hose. Over time, the swivel can wear, which will cause water to leak from its seam. It can be damaged by pulling on it with the hose. The O-rings can fail and leak. Replacing the swivel hose coupler is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the swivel coupler from the pump. Now I can install the new coupler. The coupler installs with the hex portion against the pump and the round portion available for the garden hose. And that's how easy it is to replace the swivel hose connector on your pressure washer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.